So with the long-awaited release of the Super Mario Galaxy movie by Illumination, JAKKS Pacific has returned again to give us some fire new Mario movie action figures. Now, I'm trying to talk, but my cat is, Ellie. Okay. I gotta grab these with her here. I can't do it. Ellie, can I? Thank you. Yep. Okay. Yeah, we got that. I have the entire baseline of the new Mario Galaxy figures. Now, I don't have Wonder Bowser Jr. and Luigi because you can only get them separately in the UK for some reason, unless you get that like $50 pack at Target, and they don't even come with accessories. That's what I'm gonna be doing today. I will be what is that? Unboxing and reviewing all of these. Yoshi's already unboxed. There's a short somewhere if you guys want to go watch that of me actually opening him. Let's waste no time. If you guys like movies, games, shows, collectibles, I talk about all that here, and let's open these figures. Let's start off with Mario. Before I destroy it, the packaging on these are really cool. They got the galaxy look down so nicely, and the boxes for the first movie's figures were really boring, so I'm very happy they kind of stepped it up and gave us some cool shit. Anyways, let me open it. Ellie, get your ass out of my face, dude. Let's see if Mario jumps like the games. Not really. That was really anticlimactic. I'm gonna save Bowser Jr. for last. I'm really excited for him. Let's get Jeffy's mom.
I'm gonna go get his medicine.
Wait, is that like actually plastic? Wait, what? Let's open Bowser Jr.
Hey, what's up?
What the f? I like ripped like the sticker that is on the cardboard. This mother thick. Got a paintbrush. What? I thought this was a kid's toy. My mic's not on. This dude is thick!
Fuck.
So I got all the figures out. Let's go over to the review station. We'll talk about the accessories and we'll talk about all the figures. Alright guys, we are now here at the review station. Now I would say we start off with reviewing Mario, but since I actually already opened Yoshi, I get... Bro. Hey. Oh, you smell like sh**. You fart? Since I've already opened Yoshi for a video, and he's also my favorite Mario character, why not? Let's take a look at Yoshi. So his head spins all the way around. He looks up that much, down that much. Pretty good range for a Yoshi figure. His head moves side to side a little bit. His arms swivel all the way around. They go up that much, down that much. They also have a very tiny butterfly joint. Ellie, can you? The elbows move this much. His hands swivel all the way around. And they also move there. And his fingers move. His hands are two different ones, so he has like a fisting hand. Dude. Dude, you're not laying down here. His tail actually does not move. His legs swivel all the way around. They go out like that. They do have a bend in the knees, but it's a little limited by the shoe. And he has this really weird, like, ankle thing going on. But at least... Also, just taking a look at Yoshi, this figure is great. I think with all the movie figures, they've done a great job with making it so you can either display this as a game figure or you can display it as a movie figure. Also, I guess let's take a look at some of his accessories. Now, honestly, in my little short I did opening him, I will say I did not like his accessories. First, we have this purple... Oh my god, can it focus? We have this purple New York City hat that doesn't go on his head. Don't mind Ellie scratching the door. Doesn't even fit on his head. And then we have these sunglasses. You can make Yoshi look like a cool dude. Oh wow, they actually stayed on. Also the bag. I was disappointed with the bag because you couldn't fit it over his head, but I saw a TikTok. You actually pop the side out? Yeah, you pop the side out. And then you put it around him. I don't want to... Overall, I absolutely love the figure. I love how it looks. The articulation is insane for a green dinosaur. The accessories are the really disappointing parts. I mean, they could have gave us like a Yoshi egg or something. That would have been cool. This also does kind of spoil that Yoshi will probably have a lot of screen time in New York for the movie because all his accessories are some shit from the human world. But now, let's talk about the new Mario figure. Now, actually, I'll just do this to begin with. I actually have the JAKKS Mario figure from 2023 when the first movie came out. Still think this is the best Mario figure. But now that we have this dude, first of all, it looks better. And second of all, the articulation. I think I could cry with how good this articulation looks. Also, we'll compare him to this piece of shit. Let's take a look at the articulation for this Mario. And one thing I also do want to say, his eyes don't follow you like the original one. I don't know why they chose to do that. This shit is fucking creepy. So his head looks up that much, down that much. His head swivels all the way around. A little bend side to side. The arms swivel all the way around. They go up that much, down that much. Don't mind Ellie meowing. He does have very tiny butterfly joints. It swivels right here, and it also bends at the elbow. It's not double jointed, but makes sense. His hands swivel all the way around, and my favorite thing ever, his fingers move. Like, this is the best ever. Also, his waist does have a little bit of a swivel. He looks that far up and that far down. It actually doesn't, I don't want to break it, it doesn't bend to the side really good. I remember this one actually, yeah, I don't know what happened. This one bends to the side really well. But something, I don't know if it's just because it's new. This one actually doesn't really bend that good. I don't want to break it. The legs go up that much and back that much. They have a swivel right up here. They also bend in the knees. And also the foot has a little pivot. No, it's not bad. Overall, I think this is the best Mario figure we've gotten. I'm not even going to lie. This is 100% better than the SH Figure Arts. I 100% recommend picking up this figure instead of that. And for his accessories, he comes with a little yellow Luma. Let's talk about Jeffy's mom, Princess Roselina. First of all, the figure has this weird, like, silver thing. I thought this was just plastic under her foot, but, like, it actually, she has a, sorry, this is really weird. It plugs in right here, and I don't know, okay, yeah, she does not stand up that well without it. So if you actually want to have her stand up, they actually give you a stand, so you can stand her up, which is really cool. She is tall as too. Can I say that, dude? Mario's a short king. God damn. Let's take a look at the figure. So the head goes up that much. Obviously not a lot because her hair. It goes down really far, though. It does spin all the way around. If you can get the hair around her body, it's really annoying. Oh, God. It does look side to side a little bit. Her arms go all the way around. They go out this much and in that much. A little swivel there. And she does have bendable elbows. And the hands spin all the way around. They're very tiny, though. They don't have finger joints, which makes a lot of sense. She has like a waist swivel. You know, she can do the whole wee. And other than that, it's just a big of plastic. Her feet don't move at all. And again, she has the stand thing. But other than that, figure's not that crazy. She also comes with this little magic wand thingy, which is kind of cool. It doesn't, okay. I guess to compare her, I compared her to Mario. Here she is with Yoshi. Dude, she is tall as fuck. Big boy Bowser Jr. Now, there is a main reason other than that I love the character of Bowser Jr. and that I also love SML.
Hey, Chef, I just gotta take a massive dump. I also yanked my crank, whatever that means.
I actually did a video a while back talking about when these figures got leaked. Like, there was, like, prototypes leaked. And Nintendo actually took those videos down. Let's take a look at Bowser Jr. First of all, this figure is heavy. He has got some weight to him. He is a big boy. Taking a look at articulation, his head, damn. It looks up that much and down that much. He also got the bib that if you pop the head off, you can probably take it off. But his arms go all the way around. They go up this much. In that much. They do swivel at the joint. Oh, no, they don't. Oh, they do a little bit. They swivel at the joint a little bit. Elbow articulation's kind of, he's thick. His hands swivel, and he also has the finger joints. Not that good. They don't go back as far as the other characters. Nothing on the waist. His legs do go all the way around. He has a bend at the knees. His foot does swivel all the way around. And also what I saw, never mind. This is accessory, so it's this like paintbrush thing. I guess it's from Mario Wonder. I saw something that like the other figure, the bigger pack where he comes with the clown cruiser, you can like actually paint with the paintbrush or something. The rubber material is like kind of cool in this, and then like I showed in, yeah, this is just So this is obviously going to come into play in the movie, give him his powers or something. I'm trying to make him ore farm, but this shit's just falling out of his hand. I got to do it. Like, hold on. Oh, wait. And just for comparison, here he is with Yoshi, and here he is with the new Mario. Okay, guys, so that was pretty much it for my review of the mainline Mario Galaxy JAKKS specific figures. I'm gonna try to get Junior with the clown car. I'm also gonna try to figure out how I can... Oh, Mario fell. I'm gonna try to figure out how I can get Luigi and Wonder Bowser Jr. and then just do a separate video on them. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. It was really fun to make. These figures are really worth it for $20 in my opinion. Other than Roselina, Roselina is just one of those figures that you would get if you're a completionist. I'm really not. Sorry, my cat's putting her ass in your guys' face. But I'm not really a completionist, but if I'm going to do videos on it for you guys, I want to get the whole set so you guys can see all of it. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think of these figures, and are you guys excited? Oh, I had chapstick on. And let me know if you guys are excited for the Super Mario Galaxy movie. Come on.